Here's a tutorial on how to clean your Furby. Here, we're just gonna get this. Yep. Now this is my little buddy. We're gonna have to put him to sleep during this process, so he doesn't get whoopinated. Because that would be sad. I don't want him to die. You cannot have his batteries in during this process. You only need to take out one battery. Oh, it needs a little more screwing. And boom. Now, to do this, we just gotta take out one battery. Place it over there, or wherever you won't lose it. Now, we can move on to the next part. Clean the Furby. As you can see, here's the Furby. Now, you're just gonna want to get a toothbrush. Any toothbrush. Any old toothbrush will do. Any single. What? Oh, to clean a toothbrush, you'll first need to run it under hot water, and after hot water, you're gonna slowly pick all the things off until it's completely clean. Now just rinse it for like another minute or two. Make sure it's all clean, and you have it. You're gonna want to get some shampoo and make sure your toothbrush is all clean. Now you're gonna get a little tiny bit of shampoo on there. Like that much. Rinse it under water. And scrub. Don't scrub the eyes, or else it could break. But yeah, just scrub the Furby. Make sure to get good. Keep putting shampoo on there and keep washing it off. Because not all of it actually gets off. Some of it actually stays on, and that's what's cleaning the Furby. It makes the Furby smell amazing. And if you do it right, I've heard if you use laundry detergent, it will actually make them much more fluffy. Yep, but I'm almost done. Almost done cleaning. Yep, and I'm done. Now after that, you're going to want to fully rinse off your brush. And just brush it off one more time to try and get all that soap off. Again. Get all the same spots. Get everywhere where full is, not the sticking out parts. Like everywhere where it's fuzzy, like, but not the tail. Nor underneath the ears, feet, or hat if it has one. No, and if it has like the millennium thing, just lift it up and brush. Well, I'm done with that. So time for the next step. You're going to want to get an nail dryer. But this part's very important. You're going to want to make sure it is on cold. And it also has a cold button. Like it has a cool, like it's on cool, not hot or warm. And it has a cool cold button. This will prevent your Furby's fur from melting, or just letting the fur melt and all the colors mess up. Now I'm just gonna quickly demonstrate. Cold button. look, make sure if your air dryer has no function to be cold, just let it air dry. Let air dry if it has no function. Just get a little good. And then after a bit, you should